welcome to this video on turmeric. In this video, we will be discussing the benefits and medicinal properties of turmeric, as well as its pros and cons. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice that has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine and cooking, particularly in India. So let's dive in. Benefits of turmeric. Turmeric has numerous benefits for both physical and mental health. One of the most well-known benefits of turmeric is its anti-inflammatory properties. The active ingredient in turmeric, called curcumin, has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body, which can help with conditions such as arthritis and joint pain. In addition to its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric has also been shown to have antioxidant properties, which means it can help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. This can help prevent conditions such as cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's disease. Turmeric has also been shown to have antibacterial and antifungal properties, which can help fight off infections and support a healthy immune system. It has even been shown to have potential in treating skin conditions such as acne and psoriasis. Medicinal benefits of turmeric according to India. In India, turmeric has been used in traditional Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. In Ayurveda, turmeric is believed to have numerous medicinal benefits. It is used to treat a wide range of conditions, including digestive problems, respiratory issues, and skin conditions. One of the most common uses of turmeric in Ayurvedic medicine is to support healthy digestion. It is believed to help stimulate the production of digestive juices, which can aid in the digestion and absorption of food. Turmeric is also commonly used in Ayurveda to support healthy skin. It is believed to have both antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help with conditions such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Pros and cons of turmeric. While turmeric has numerous benefits, it is important to be aware of its potential drawbacks as well. One of the main drawbacks of turmeric is that it can interact with certain medications, particularly blood thinners. If you are taking any medication, it is important to speak with your healthcare provider before adding turmeric to your diet or supplement regimen. Turmeric can also cause gastrointestinal issues in some people, particularly if taken in high doses. This can include symptoms such as nausea, diarrhea, and stomach cramps. It is important to start with a low dose of turmeric and gradually increase to avoid any potential digestive issues. In conclusion, turmeric is a powerful spice with numerous benefits for both physical and mental health. Its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antibacterial, and antifungal properties make it a valuable addition to any diet or supplement regimen. However, it is important to be aware of its potential interactions with medications and the potential for digestive issues in some people. If you have any concerns about adding turmeric to your diet, it is always best to speak with your healthcare provider. Thank you for watching.